Orpano, pinipilit, pass by Barba. Barba dribbling the ball. Barba tumikada ng dos. Yeah, 2 points by Barba. Matinding gila. Barba tumikada ulit. Yeah, 2 points by Barba. Orpano. 1 point. Kuya Money, kalian di sini Kuya Money, kami label. On the right corner, blue corner. Bersama sa labas, hindi pumasok. Rebound ng Soles. Barba ngayon. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Calvin. Calvin ngayon. Inaabangan sa lapara. The Playboy man. Pinasa kay Sud. Number 18, Dugurit sila. Good. Yes, kasi 2 points by Barba.
1 point lang, 1 point.
1 point lang pala. Sorry na. 5-4. Barba ngayon. 1 point by Barba is no good. Kape ka ng bola na. Kuha ng Barba. Nakakape. Barba. Wala. Rebound ni Calvin. Good. For 2. Yes, sir. Kaganti si number 18. Buto ba? Nasira ang net.
Let's go dapat to.
Same ball. Oh. Sablo ang bola. Pasok off. Bawa ang bola. Salah pare. Tira na naman ang sa side. Uy. Tapos ang kami. Calvin ngayon sa labas. Wala. Rebound ni Azules. Sa pare. Back to Azules. Azules yun. Laban ni Bersabe. Azules. Barba. Wala. Wah. Biglang sumulpot si number 18. Paasa kay 17. Wala pa rin. Sa loob. Sabi ka na. Sa blue. Sabi ng referee na naka-blue. Calvin ngayon. Umikot. Lumayap. Azoles. Rebound. Nasa labas. Tumira ng dos. Bullseye. 7-9. Calvin. Running shot. Wala. Iwan ni Azul. Wala pa rin. Azoles. Yo! Kinaliwan. Pasok. Yes, sir. Ayan na siya na pare. Running shot is no good. Rebound ito sa Ben. Pinasa sa kanang kape. Wala. Kape ka ng bola. Nakuha na pero sa Ben. Yes, sir. Azoles. Lumia. Palas. Rebound pa rin Azoles. Kape ka ng bola. Calvin. Right. Baba, pinasa loob. Yes, sir. There's the best. 9-11 ating score. 9 minutes and 54 seconds to go. There's the best. There's the loob. Nakuha sa Epicus. Barba, napakagawin pa na. Pero sa labas. Paasal sa loob. Under the basket niya. Azoles wala. Ano pa na. Back to Bersabe. Lucas Bay. Hindi gumapang. Barba ngayon. Wala ang tira. Rebound ni Calvin. Tumira ng dos. Rebound ni Bersabe. Big surprise. There's always an counted. Sabi ng referee. Basket count. 11 all. At may bonus free throw si Mr. Bersabe. La bola. Oh, wala. That starts ni Barba. Azoles! Libre. Bersabe. Under the basket. Bersabe pa rin. Tumama kay Mr. Republic. Time out. Blue team. Referee. May punto pala eh.
May katagpuan. Katagpuan sa DVRD. Hindi na sa Plaza.
Okay. Resume tayo ng ating ball game. 12-11. Laban ang Borio. Calvin sa dos. Bullseye. Change favor. Kakaganti si Azoles. Tapos na. Oy! Nakita.
Mga pinikpikay.
14 foul ang Borio team. Rebound ng Pablo. Sulong-solo ang rebound. Baba. Tumitira. Aba! Kunak ko. Ginantihan, wala. Tapi ka ng bola. Aba. Akala ko titira na naman. Calvin, open sa dos. Wala, tapos. Kaya mo ni Murillo. Republio. Ayan na naman ang number 18. Umusog yung ring. Persever. Tapos ang tira. Tinamaan lang yung net. Republio. Tumero sa labas. Tapos din. Persever. Fakes. No, wala. Azoles. Sanos. Rebound ni Persever. Persever. Double sa loob. Yes, sir. Number 18. Pumigi. Republio. Bullseye.
Magkasurog si Andrew 7.
Resume ball play. Okpano. It's a 1 point back Okpano. Republio to Doc. Yan. Drives. No good. We won by. Republio to Azules. We won Okpano. To Bexabe. Bexabe to Sir Calvin fires. No good. We won by Republio. Fires, no good, rebound by Republio pa rin.
Clear.
5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Bersabe. Party sa 2-point by Bersabe. Ipublo, babawi. Lugod, rebound by Orpano to Sir Calvin first. Yes, it's a 2-point by Sir Calvin. Ipublo to Azules. Azules.
Bigay!
Kanya pa rin at pass to Republo, fires for 2. Yes, a 2-point by Republo.
Batay!
Sir Calvin fires for 2. Yes, it's a 2-point by Sir
Tuloy,
Calvin.
switch kayo, switch!
Republo now. Fires. Yes.
Kuha!
Sir Calvin drives. Easy 1-point by Sir Calvin. Doc, Maliari now. No good, rebound by Bersabe. Nakuha ni Azules. Azules. Easy 1-point by Azules. Sir Calvin now fires for 2. No good, rebound by Republo. To Doc. Yes, it's a 1-point by Doc Maliari. It's a 2-point by Sir Calvin. Republo now. Fires for 2. No good, rebound by Sir Calvin. To Alpano. To Sir Calvin. He's still by Azules. It's a 1-point by Doc Maliari. Sir Calvin no good. Rebound by Republo. 10 seconds to shoot. Republo fires for 2. It's a 2 points by Republo. Bersabe now. Babawi. No good. It's a loose ball. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Republo. Azules fires. It's a 2 point by Azules. Azulos. Still by Azulos. Nakuha ng Bersabe. Drives. Pinaliwa pa. Azules fires for 2. No good. It's a follow-up by Republo. Bersabe now. Drive. Talagang nangangaliwa si Bersabe. Republo fires for 2. Wala. Bawasan mo ang pangangaliwa, kapatid. Sir Calvin, it's a 2 points by Sir Calvin. Republo now. 8 seconds to shoot. Republo fires. No good. Rebound by Azulos. To Republo. It's a 1 point by Republo. Sir Calvin fires for 2. No good. Rebound by Bersabe. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Bersabe. Nakuha ni Republo. To Azules. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Bersabe. 10 seconds to shoot. Bersabe. To steal. Wala.
Dito naman.
Who's ball, ref? Blues ball.
Blues.
Sir Calvin. Titira sa dos. It's a 2 point by Sir Calvin. Azules babawi. Wala. Rebound by Bersabe. Next by Republo. There's a foul.
Stepping.
Team Korea, it's a 6 team foul. 6 na. It's a 1 point by Orpano. Good ball daw, sabi ni ref. Azules fires for 2. Yes! It's a 2 points by Azules. Orpano now. Kinalabaw. Nakakuha ng foul.
Wala.
It's a penalty. Second team foul. Last 1 minute. It's a 1 point by Orpano. Drop mo niya niya to Azules. Mukhang titira sa dos. Pero hindi. Pineke. Rebound by Barpa. No good. It's a 1 point by Doc Maliag. It's a 2 points by Sir Calvin. Wala nang malilistahan. Barpa now. Barpa to Azulos sa ilalim. Yes, it's a 1 point by Azules. Last 27 seconds. Sir Calvin now to Bersabe. To Sir Calvin ang gandang play. It's a 1 point by Sir Calvin.
Dalaw! Nice!
No more rebound by Sir Calvin. Last 10 seconds. Bersabe now. Drives. Ano ka tadi man counted? Rep. Not counted. It's a not counted according to. Last 3.4 seconds. 8.
Uy, nagsabi na kanina penalty.
Pangwalo.
Walo.
Pangwalo. 18 foul.
Hey, 3.4!
Bersabe awarded 1 free throw.
Time out!
Reserve timeout. Yes, it's a timeout. Team Bugil.
Dito. Pag-receive mo, tiro pa.
Remaining time 3.4 seconds.
Triangle! Hey! Oo. Pagkahawak. Gitna. Pagkahawak, start oras. Tulis!
Walo.
Siyam plus ball possession.
Dalawa na yun.
Dalawa nga. Isa pa. Para ma-freeze.
Bersabe awarded 1 free throw. Last shot for second throw.
Last shot. Di pa. Pag nahawakan yung bola.
No good rebound by Sir Calvin. It's the end of the first half. Italit ang gusto.
Ano ka ulit? Taktak ko na. Balik na, okay na. Ano nga kayo? Salo city na.
Official score 39 against 40 in favor of Team Sir Calvin.
Daming dos. Dami ng grrr. Ay, yung ano? Pati cookies? Pati yung cookies? Ay, wala. Sige na.
Tapakan mo yan, Kikay.
Long. Long nga.
Kami, ano mo sa jumble mo ka? Napagparok mo ka, ano ba ako?
Resume ball game. Orange ball. Aaron to Barba. Barba. No good rebound by Sir Calvin. To Bersabe. Bersabe drive. Black one. Republo. Bersabe to Sir Calvin. Naghahanap ng screen. So, nakuha ni Republo. Fires for two. No good rebound by Android, wala. Sir Calvin fires for two. No good rebound by Republo. To Barba. Malalim. Wala rebound by Sir Calvin. 10 seconds to shoot. Sir Calvin drives. No good rebound by Alpano. Blocked by Republo. Republo fires. Yes, it's a 1 point by Republo. It's a deadlock. Bersabe to Sir Calvin fires for two. No goal rebound by Barba. Barba drives. Yes, it's a 1 point by Barba. Bersabe now. 10 seconds to shoot. Bersabe to Sir Calvin. 5 seconds to shoot. Continue po. To Barba. No good. Rebound by Barba pa rin. Fires. It's a 1 point by Barba. Bersabe. Fires for two. No good rebound by Salapare. To Republo. Naghanap. 7 seconds to shoot. Republo fires for two. No good rebound by Barba. Nakakuha ng buff. Roger. Mukhang nakakuha ng buff. Fires. No good rebound by Roger. Ang lakas ng... Lakas pag nakabuff. Sir Calvin fires for two. Yes, it's a 2 point by Sir Calvin. Barba now to Salapare. Back to Barba. Orange ball. Salapare fires for two. No good rebound by Salapare to Barba. Fires. 2 points by Barba. To Bersabe. Fires. Yes, it's a 1 point by Bersabe. 2 points lead. Salapare. To Republo. 5 seconds to shoot. Republo fakes. Drives. No good rebound by Bersabe. 7 seconds to shoot. Steal by Salapare. To Republo. Yes, it's a 1 point by Republo. Sir Calvin fires for two. No good. Rebound by Salapare to Republo to Barba. Yes, nakakuha na naman ng buff. Sir Calvin fires. No good. Rebound by Bersabe. Fires for two. No good. Rebound by Bersabe pa rin. Drives. Yes, it's a 1 point by Bersabe. To Republo. been a body. Who's ball rep? Orange ball. Republo first. Yes, it's a 2-point by Republo. Serve cut now to Orfano. Fires for 2. No good rebound by Barba. Barba now. 10 seconds to shoot. Barba fires for 2. No good rebound by Salapare. To Barba. To Republo. 5 seconds to shoot. Republo fakes. Step back. No good rebound by Orfano. To Sir Calvin fires. No good rebound by Republo. To Salapare fires. Kinaliwa. Wala. Rebound by Sir Calvin. Yes, it's a easy 1 point by Sir Calvin. Republo now. Last 10 minutes and 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Republo fires. No good rebound by Barba. Fires for 2. No good rebound by Barba pa rin. Time out. Team Calvin.
Tayo nga. Patay, kasi isa.
Run score 49 against 45 in favor of Team Bobby.
Pasalamat ka rin ka rin may ito sa wala. Resume ball game. Orange ball. Republo. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ng screen. Republo fires. It's a 1 point by Republo. Sir Calvin now fires for 2. No good rebound by Bersabe. Wala. Rebound by Barba. To Sir Aaron. Back to Barba. Fires no good rebound by Orfano. 10 seconds to shoot. Bersabe fires for 2. Parang nagpi-free throw lang. Sa 2 point by Bersabe. Republo now. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Republo fires for 2. No good rebound by Barba. Yes, it's a 1 point by Barba. Sir Calvin to Orfano. To Sir Calvin. Drives. Back to Orfano. 5 seconds to shoot. Orfano. Yes, it's a 1 point by Orfano. Right now. Kinaliwa. Yes, it's a 1 point by Salapare. Nanangaliwa rin. Bersabe fires. It's a 2 points by Bersabe. Republo. Nakakuha ng foul. First team foul. Last 8 minutes and 35. 52 against 50. Republo. Yes, it's a 1 point by Republo. Bersabe fires. No good. Rebound by Republo. To Roger. No good. Rebound by Salapare. Mukhang mag-aaral eh. To Roger. Yes! Yes, it's a 1 point. Rebound by Republo. To Roger. To Sir Aaron. Kanya pa rin. 5 seconds yun. Republo sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Erpano. To Sir Calvin. Fakes. Substitution. Rebound by Bersabe.
Pensa!
Android. Sir Calvin fires for 2. No good rebound by Republo. To Android. It's an easy 1 point by Android.
Depensa!
Sir Calvin now to Bersabe. Sa ilalim, wala. Rebound by Azulos. Fires. No good rebound by Arpano. Rebound by Azulos. Kanya ba? Ang gandang play, wala akong masabi. Sir Calvin fires for 2. It's a loose ball. Last 7 minutes.
Depensa! Depensa!
Sir Calvin now.
Depensa!
56-50. Anim ng kalamangan.
Lapit!
Rebound by Republo. Rebound by Republo pa rin. Fires for 2. No good rebound by Blues ball. Last 6 minutes and 41. Running score 56 against 50. Sir Calvin fires for 2. Yes, it's a 2 points by Sir Calvin. As soon as now. 10 seconds to shoot. To Roger. Fires for 2. No good rebound by Bersabe.
Lapit!
To Sir Calvin fires for 2. No good rebound by Azules.
Lapit Torres!
Azules fires for 2. No good rebound by Republo.
Relax, relax!
Steal by Bersabe.
Lapit! 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 Lapit!
Last 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Bersabe to Arpano. Fires for 2. Yes, it's a 2 points by Arpano. Barba now. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Boreo. Barba fires for 2. No good. Blues ball. 56-54 in favor of Team Boreo. Sir Calvin fires for 2. No good rebound by Arpano. Kanya pa rin. Yes, it's a 1 point by Arpano.
Relax, relax!
Azules, it's a 2 points by Azules.
Tikit, tikit, tikit!
Bersabe now. Drives. Nakakuha ng foul. First team foul. Act of shooting. Bersabe awarded 1 free throw. Yes, it's a 1 point by Bersabe. Azules first, no good rebound by Sir Calvin.
Lapit Torres!
Fires for 2. Yes, it's a 2 points by Sir Calvin. It's a deadlock, Pitetal. Barba fires for 2. Yes, it's a 2 points by Barba.
Tikit! Tikit!
Sir Calvin, babawi. Yes, it's a 2 points by Sir Calvin. Deadlock pa rin, 60 all. Republo now. Fires for 2. No good rebound by Azules. It's no good rebound by Azules pa rin. Yes, it's a 1 points by Azules.
Tikit! Tikit mo!
Sir Calvin now. Fires for 2. No good rebound by Republo. To Azules sa ilalim. No good rebound by Sir Calvin. 4 minutes and 39 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. To Bersabe, fires for 2. No good. Kanya pa rin. Android. Yes, it's a 1 point by Bersabe. Republo. Yes, it's a 2 points by Republo. 63-61. 8 seconds to shoot. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. So Bersabe drives. No good rebound by Republo. To Barba. Yes, nakawala ang Roger.
Abol!
Sir Calvin fires. No good rebound by Orpano. Nakuha ni Republo. 3 minutes and 53 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Republo fires for 2. No good rebound by Bersabe. Fires. No good rebound by Roger. Yes, it's a 1-point ball. Timeout, Team Calvi. Running score 64-62. Dalawa lang kalamangan ng Team Borio. Remaining 3 minutes and 31. Ang init ng laban. Last 3 minutes and 31. Sino ang aabante at sino ang uuwi sa CMI? Ang labanan ng mga androids. Resume ball game. Sir Calvin fires for 2. No good rebound by Roger. Nabap ang Roger. Fires for 2. No good rebound by Bersabe. 10 seconds to shoot. Bersabe fires for 2. No good rebound by Azules. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 3 minutes and 10. Azules. No good rebound by Bersabe. To Orpano. Fires. No good rebound by Republo. Yes, it's a 2 points by Republo. Sir Calvin binawi agad. Azules. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Azules to Republo. Fakes, drives to Barba. Wala na agaw ni Bersabe. To Sir Calvin. Pupukol sa dos. Wala na ba Republo. To Azules, to Barba. Napakagandang play. To Orpano, to Bersabe. Tatlo ang kalamangan. Bersabe fires for 2. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuyatan. It's easy 1 point by Orpano. Right there. Last 2 minutes and 2 seconds. There's a foul. Second team foul sa blue. Last 2 minutes and 1. Republo fakes to Azules. Fades away. Yes, it's a 1 point by Azules. Bersabe. No good rebound by Republo. To Azules. Behind the back fakes. Wala rebound by Bersabe. Last 1 minute and 35. Yes, this is a 2 points by Orpano. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Barba for 2. No good rebound by Orpano. To Bersabe. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Bersabe. Nakakuha ng foul. Second team foul. Last 1 minute and 18 seconds. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. To Bersabe. To Sir Calvin fires for 2. Yes! It's a change flavor. Given by Azules. Wala, given by Sir Calvin. Last 1 minute. Sir Calvin now. 7 seconds to shoot to Bersabe. 3 seconds to shoot. Bersabe fires. No good rebound by Republo. Continue po. To Azules, easy 1 point by Azules. Time out, team. Basta time out. It's a deadlock. 69 all. Remaining time 44.8 seconds. CMI ng maaga.
Uy, mapagalaman daw ako.
Resume ball game. Remaining time 44.8 seconds. There's a deadlock score for both teams. Loose ball. Inbounded by Sir Calvin. 10 seconds to shoot. 7. Sir Calvin fires for 2. No good rebound by Pueblo. To Azules. Left by Berzale. To Orpano. To Sir Calvin fires for 2. No good rebound by Azules. To Pueblo. Nakakuha ng foul. Remaining time 22 seconds. Ang shooting. Kay Pueblo awarded 1 bonus throw.
Ali sa 3-point, nag-lock.
Nawala kanikan. Kay Pueblo 1 free throw. Jumpers ready. No good rebound by kay Pueblo. Last 20 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. And intercepted by Alpano. Last 9 seconds. Salatani. Ni Pueblo. 5. Yes! Last 2 seconds. Napakagandang laban ang pinakita ng mga Android. Kung sino man nanalo, okay. Deserving po kayo. Congratulations, Team Borneo! Please stand by habang tinatalo natin ang ating score.
Baka player of the game kay Pueblo.